Hi you guys, it's me, Maya March, and as you can see from the title, I am about to cut this hair. I'm not gonna cut all of it, but like this pink stuff, it like has to go. So I said I was gonna do this thing. I don't know if you all like listen to Summer Walker, but basically she has a new album out, and shout out to her. It's called Over It, and I just seen everything that she was over, and I just decided to pick some things that I felt like I was over, including this hair. Summer Walker is an Aries like me, and I just know that we've been through so much. I got more on the channel that I'll be talking about in regards to that, but this is like the first thing. No, this is some of the first things that I guess you can physically see where I'm over it. Like, I'm over being overweight. I'm over this damaged, unhealthy hair. Not all of it, but just like this color. Over it. I'm over toxic relationships, and that's even within friendships and within lovers. I'm over it. I don't even deal with that anymore. I don't know if you know. I was over sex. I'm still over sex technically, but it's like still in the air. But you obviously, I've been a year strong. A year and 1 month strong celibate. So obviously I'm over sex, I'm over toxic relationships, I'm over this hair, I'm over feeling overweight. This is the biggest weight I ever been. So I'm just going to start over. So the first thing I can do right now is to cut this hair. I came on camera with these braids and a full face because, you know what I'm saying, I still wanted to feel like really flawless while I was cutting my hair. I'm not going to take all of your time, but I just wanted to explain that as to why I'm cutting this hair. I just want to start over in life. I'm going to be losing weight. I'm going to go down to exactly where I want to be. I'm going to go, it's not really even a goal. I just want to be back healthy. I want healthy everything, healthy hair, healthy relationships, healthy body weight. Or just body in general. Like, I'm always sleepy. I always feel like I have a sleeping disorder, which I'm sure I don't. But sorry, I know you guys are ready to get into this video, so let's just get into it. Okay, so I think I'm gonna wet a little bit more of my hair. I kept debating if I wanted to do it on dry hair or if I was gonna do it on wet hair, and a lot of people was like, you should do it on wet hair because you'll see your natural curls, and so you'll know where to cut it. So here we go. Y'all see that? It's almost like right now it just looks like it's gonna be the ends, but well, hold on. So if you follow my YouTube channel, you'll know that about last year, so this is new growth from 1 year ago, here we go. Yes. Oh, I need a bag. Hold on. I'm gonna get a trash bag. So if you follow me on my YouTube channel, you'll know that over a year ago, I was saying I colored my hair. I did this big, beautiful transformation, and I loved it. And at the time, I did it because I was once again over my hair. But now, I'm over this hair and I'm ready to move on and go back healthy. I was going through a lot of stuff. When I did it, and more likely, I'm not gonna lie, I was going through relationship problems. Like, me and my ex, we had been together for, I think, 3-4 years, and it just wasn't working out. But you know how, like, as a woman, you feel like you put your all into a relationship. So it's like, obviously, you're done with it, but it's this other part of you that can't be done because you know how much you invested into the relationship, even though at this point it's probably very toxic for both parties. I was at that point, but I had just stopped talking to him, and yeah, so I went ahead and I wanted to do something so different because, you know, as a woman, when we done with a relationship, we always got to do like crazy stuff just to prove a point. Like, yeah, we done. And so, as what I did. I transformed and I dyed my hair. And it wasn't bad the first time, but then I kept coloring it about 2-3 times. I may have to go back over it to get the ends a little bit more fine. I don't want to just cut hair that's good. But anyways, so yeah, you know, as a woman, you just do like something crazy because it's like you want to really prove a point. Like, I'm really over this nigga. You know what I'm saying? And I have successfully been abstinent for over a year, and me and him are not together. We both stood our ground. You know, don't get me wrong, he still loves me. You know what I'm saying? It just happens. You know, they never really get over you. But I can't do it anymore. Even friendships, I'm done with toxicity. Anything that's not healthy, I just don't want. So I'm cutting it all out of my life. That's how I feel. That's how I feel about this hair. I'm cutting it out of my life. I'm ready for a change, and I'm ready for something healthy. This feels so good to cut, y'all. I thought I ain't gonna lie, I may cry when it's like all done and I look at it, because I've never had a afro this short. It's cute though. We gonna work with it. You see that? It'll come right out, and then when you get to the end, that's how it always used to be. Nappy. Alright. Here we go. Look how shriveled it like. Can y'all see it? Ugh, this shit is... I'm so happy I'm cutting it. And I will be doing like hairstyles on showing how I do like a wash and go. What else we gonna do? We gonna do a perm rod set. Comment below on what hairstyles you want to see now that I have my hair officially short. And then comment below what protective styles you want to see, and comment below like any other video idea, I guess, that's related to your questions. Yeah, that you have about in regards to this haircut. So if anybody want to know what I suggest, if you ready to just cut it, yes. It took me a long time because I've never been, not saying it like that, but I've never had like my hair this short. Well, I mean, obviously as a baby, but like my whole life I always had long hair. So I could have never seen me cutting my hair until now. But once you like start seeing like your pretty curls and they like growing out, and then like this other part, it be just so dry, you be like, you know what? Why not? Why not cut it? I hate this little color on the end. I'm gonna have to go in and get it better. Oh wow, that was out of the shot. My bad, y'all. Let me make sure I'm in the shot. Trying to see if I could still pull it back in the little ponytails like I be doing. Oh, look at my ponytail, y'all. It's kind of cute. What? Oh, I got a ponytail still. I'm semi bald head. Okay. I got a ponytail still. We out here. Look at that. It's still these little scrabbly ends. So, would I suggest people dyeing the hair? Naturals, I mean, I can't say yes or no. Personally, if you really care about the health of your hair, most likely you should not bleach your hair. I told you at the time, I just didn't care. So this is how, I guess, like this. So it's not that much of a difference, but then it is. I'm gonna show y'all close up. You see my little curls? So I hope this video encouraged more girls like me, young, old, it does not matter, to just let it go. Let go of the toxic relationships, let go of damaged hair, let go of unhealthy patterns, mentally, spiritually. Physically, if you're physically harming yourself or if someone is physically harming you, let it go. That's toxic. Look at me. Look at me, look at me. All right, I gotta fix it. I look like that girl. I look like Penny Proud off of, you remember that one episode when she had went back in the day? Oh my God, this is hilarious. All right, I'm finna, let me see if my little, look at me, y'all. Okay, so this is my, this gonna be my new pineapple. Better freak out the weekend. Okay. So I just wanted y'all to see my hair. I've never seen my hair this short. It's so cute though. I kind of like it. Not even kind of, like I really do. And it felt so good to wash it. I'm excited, y'all. Y'all gonna get so many more tutorials out of me. Oh, we gonna figure out how to style this little bitty hair. And figure out what I could do real cute to it. I may not cut it because I do want a little length just to do like some more things. But yeah, so here we are. I look like myself as a kid. This is so hilarious. I love it. So thank you for watching my tutorial. If you have any more questions, comments. Oh, and I condition my hair with the Aussie Moist. So this, I have the conditioner in. But if you have any more questions, comment below. If you like the cut, let me know. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Smash that thumbs up. Please comment and share to somebody who needs this, or just people in general if you like it. And until later, you guys. Bye.
Tags up a echelon for no reason. Seen this bad little John, she was perfect. I let her push the foreign right now, is she worth it?